Think you need to spend big for that premium look and feel? Not always. There are products out there that look and feel high-end without the high-end price. I've searched Amazon for the best luxury-style gadgets and accessories that won't break the bank. Here are my top 5 finds, gear that looks first class but comes at a smart price. This is the Xiaomi metal carry-on luggage, and it looks serious. Next to high-end suitcases, it stands out for its clean, minimalist design. The shell is made from an aluminum magnesium alloy, lightweight, durable, with a metallic sheen. Reinforced corners add to the durability and give it a rugged industrial look. The telescopic handle is sturdy, locking into multiple heights. The super smooth 360-degree spinner wheels glide effortlessly. Navigating a busy airport with this suitcase is a game changer. It comes with 2 TSA-approved locks integrated directly into the frame. Inside, adjustable straps and dividers keep everything organized. For around $180, you're getting luggage that competes with the big players. It's smart design meeting an incredible price point. Next, the Easy Peasy No. F sunglasses. Sunglasses range from cheap gas station finds to luxury brands. These have a classic shape, but the killer feature is that they fold. They fold right at the bridge, collapsing into a tiny pocketable package. The hinges feel solid and precise. You can toss them in a small pocket without worrying about them getting crushed. For around $70, the build quality feels premium. They offer UV protection and come in a huge variety of colors. The Easy Peasy sunglasses feel like a designer accessory. If you're like me, your bag is a mess of cables and tech. The solution? A tech kit. This one from Bellroy is great looking and functional. For about $55, the Bellroy Tech Kit is made from recycled, water-resistant fabric. It unfolds flat, giving you easy access to everything. A smart layout of stretchy loops and pockets holds all your accessories securely. There's a magnetic slip pocket and loops for cables, mouse, or a charging brick. It's functional, and the overall package feels premium. The zippers are smooth, the material's durable, and the branding minimal. It looks organized and high-end, bringing order to chaos with style. This is the Kodak Memo Shot ERA, a 2-in-1 instant digital camera and printer. For only $40, it's an absolute steal. It has an awesome retro-inspired look, compact and lightweight. It leans into its identity as a fun, social gadget. It uses zinc or zero-ink technology, so you don't have to worry about messy ink cartridges. You take a picture, and a small 2x3-inch print comes out the side. And these prints are also stickers, which just adds to the fun. It also has Bluetooth. You can connect your smartphone and use it as a portable printer for any photo on your phone. So you get a fun retro camera and a portable photo printer all in one device for $40. The point is the experience, and for this price, the amount of fun and utility you get is just incredible. The Logitech Pop Mouse brings personality and modern design to your desk without breaking the bank. For $30, it's a stylish and fun mouse from Logitech, known for high-end peripherals. It features a clean, compact design and comes in vibrant, multi-tone colorways. The customizable top button defaults to an emoji menu. Using Logitech's software, you can remap it to open apps, mute your mic, or trigger custom shortcuts. Beyond the looks, it's a solid wireless mouse with quiet clicks and a precise scroll wheel. It connects via Bluetooth and can pair with up to 3 devices. For $30, you get multi-device control, a customizable button, and a slick design from a top brand. That's 5 awesome finds. Premium style, smart features, and great value, all without breaking the bank. Which one would you pick? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great deals.